Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this new USDT quantitative earning website where you earn USD every single day, guys. So with this website, once you're registered successfully, you'll be given 6,000 USDT as sign-up bonus. All you have to do is just perform some simple tasks and you're gonna withdraw this USDT every single day, guys. So this is the account creation phase. The link to this website is provided in the description box of this video. So once you're here, you can register an account using your email or your phone number. So using your email, you just have to enter your email right here, your login password, your security password. My invitation code will be right here. You click on register and your account will be created successfully, guys. So if you want to register using your phone number, you click where it says phone register. So clicking where it says phone register to bring it to this particular page right here, you just have to input your phone number right here, your login password, the security password. My invitation code will be right here for you. You click on register and your account will be logged. It will sign up successfully, guys. So I will just log in my own personal account and show you guys how this USDT quantitative earning website works, guys. So I'll just click on sign in right here real quick so as to log in my account effectively, guys. So guys, welcome to my homepage on this USD quantitative earning website. So I told you guys once you are registered, you'll be given 6,000 USDT as sign-up bonus. So you can see on my balance sheet, total asset here, I have about 6,010 USDT currently on my balance, guys. So all you need to do is just make a recharge. You can see it right here. Once you make a recharge right here, you're going to be able to perform simple tasks and earn every single day, guys. So I will show you guys how to make a recharge and to earn on this website effectively, guys. So to make a recharge, you just have to click where it says recharge. So clicking on recharge, the minimum recharge here, that is for the VIP one, is just 10 USDT. You just have to click where it says recharge. Clicking here, they will provide you with the available recharge assets. You just have to choose the one available. You just make a recharge and boom, I will show you guys how to perform simple tasks and earn on this AI quantitative earning website. So you can see the available assets you can deposit. You can deposit using USD TRX20 address, you can deposit using TRX, USD BEP20 and BNB. So you have to choose this particular one. So once you choose USD TRX20 address, they'll provide you with a USDT address together with a QR code. So you just leave it to be on quantitative account. So you have to copy this USD TRX20 address, pay 10 USD to this address, or you can scan this QR code to make the payment. So once you are done, you click on here, it says recharge complete, and your what recharge will be successful, guys. So that is how to make recharge on this website. You can see on my quantitative account I have about 10 USD which I have deposited effectively. So to quantify, you have to click where, after you have recharged successfully, click where it says quantify here. So once you click on quantify, to bring it to the quantification page where you just have to perform daily tasks and you earn your rewards for today, guys. So on the quantification page right here, you can see all the respective VIP level as well. You can see currently I am on VIP 1. So to can see my current level right there, VIP 1. So you can see it right here. This is my current level. And for this VIP 1, you need to make a deposit of 10 USD, which I've already shown you guys how to recharge. To make a if you to deposit 10 USD, so you'll be getting 15% of your deposit amount every single day. It will last for 180 days. And you are going to be quantifying once a day, guys. So you can see the VIP 2 right here, which goes at the rate of 70 USD. You'll be getting 15.50% of your deposit amount. It will last for 180 days as well, and you'll be quantifying once a day, guys. You can see the VIP 3 as well, which will go in at the rate of 150 USD. Any 16% of your deposit amount, you'll be quantifying once a day. It will last for 180 days as well. So you can choose any VIP of your choice, make a recharge, and boom, you are good to go. As for me, I am on VIP 1. You can see this is my current level, VIP 1. So to quantify, after you have made a recharge, just click where it says start quantify. So clicking on start quantify right there to quantify for you, can see the quantification has been started. Just for you on this website, you just have to register, make a recharge, and your AI will be earning for you every single day. You just have to come here, click on quantify, you will withdraw your earnings straight to your account. You can see 1.746 USDT has been added to my quantification account, guys. So right now you can see my total revenue for today, 1.74 USDT, guys. So another way you earn on this website by clicking where it says invite. So clicking on invite, you copy your referral link, share it to your family and friends on social media like WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram. And once they register using your link, you earn massively for referring them to this website. As for the first level referral, you get 10% of their deposit amount. Second level referral, you get 3%, and third level referral, you're going to get 1% of their recharge amount, guys, for free. So you can see, you just have to copy your referral link, share it to your family and friends, guys. So to withdraw your earnings, you click on it says me right here. So clicking on me, you just have to go to the what? Select the withdraw icon. You can see my today revenue 1.74 USDT. So to withdraw, you just have to click on the withdraw icon. Let's go back to the home page, guys. Here. So coming back to the home page, we just have to click on withdraw button so as to withdraw our earnings straight to my what? To my Bybit account, guys. So I'll click on withdraw right here real quick. Not recharge or withdrawing. So just click on withdraw right here. So guys, this is the withdrawal page. You can see the available amount to withdraw 1.746 USD available for withdrawal. So I've inputted the amount right here. So here I'll paste my wallet address, which is USDT TRC20 address. Make sure you copy the right address, guys. So lastly, I will input my security code. That is done. So I'll just have to click on confirm here to confirm my withdrawal, guys. So let's look at this message. You can see withdraw success. It shows that I've successfully withdrawn 1.746 USDT straight to my what? Bybit account, guys. So let's wait for a while and check out whether our payment has been received successfully or not, guys. So guys, if you enjoy my content, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Let's go straight right now and confirm my withdrawal, guys. So guys, you can see I just got a message, an email from Bybit that the deposit has been confirmed, guys. Deposit of 1.746 USDT has been confirmed successfully. The chain type is TRC20 and my deposit address, can see it right here. It's to show you that I've successfully received this payment, and this is the what? Receipt of what? Of the payment that has been successfully received. This is an email from Bybit, guys. So guys, you can see that the site is legit and is currently paying. So if you want to start enjoying with this website with me, you need to make a deposit right now that is new and is currently paying, guys. Thank you all, guys. See you guys in my next video. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys.